Today I would like to teach about the boundary representations in 3D solid. If we want to draw the B-Rep or boundary representations, we need to know the base of the object. Let's say, for example, I draw rectangles, specify first corner. Okay, so dimensions, type the enter. So length of the rectangles, for example, 96. The width of rectangle, for example, 36. And then enter. Okay, so enter. So view this one. So this is the rectangle. We need to change this one to 3D view. So go to unsafe view, disable isometric view. So this one is the rectangle. So let's say we need to draw another object by using, we need to use another command such as offset. So we use command offset. The distance to the offset is 15. Okay, from where? From this one to this one. So any other offset object? No. Enter. So let's say we need to draw the line at the middle one. So this one. Do this next one. Okay. Any other object to offset? Any other line to draw? Yes. Okay. From where? From this midpoint to this midpoint. Enter. So we need to offset the line. So the distance to offset is 7. Enter. From where? From this one to this one, and from this one to this one. So let's say we have we have the circles in this line. So for example, draw circle here. So the radius of the circle is 3.6, for example. So any other circle here at this location, we can just copy and just select object. So select this one. From where? From this point or this midpoint. Okay, enter. So any other circle to draw? Yes. So type circle, click circle. From where? From this one. The radius of the circle 7. Enter. So any other circles? No. So we need to trim the object as required. So just type trim. Enter. Select object all. So any other object to trim? Enter. So where the object that we want to trim? The first one is this one, we don't show one. The second one is this one. The third one, this one, this one. Okay, so from this one, we don't show one, this one. So we also don't need this one. So any other, this one. Any other object to trim? Yes, this one, bench one, this one. So also bench one. Okay, so this one also we want it. Okay, any other object can trim. So now enter. So the object that cannot trim, you can delete or erase. So go to this object first. Delete this one. Delete. This. Erase. Erase. So this one also need to erase. Sorry. This one. Okay. So complete already the object that we need. Okay. So we need to draw another object, but the object in the front view. So we need to change this one from wall to the front. Okay. So we need to draw another rectangles. Let's say for example this one. Specify first point, dimension D, enter. So the length 96, enter. The width for example is 15, enter. So we have another rectangles. So and then we need to draw the line in the middle. So with line, for example from this point to this one, enter. And then have to circle in the middle. So just draw circle here from this point. The radius is 6, enter. So another circle from this one. The radius is 17, enter. So we need to connect this line to the circles, tangent, enter. So select line from this point to this tangent, enter. So we need to trim this second object. Just select trim, enter. Select the object to trim. So we need to trim this object. So select, okay, enter. So we need to don't want this one we need to trim the object that we don't want. Okay, so this one, so this one, this one. Okay, this one we don't want. This one also we don't want. Yeah, the object can trim, yes, okay. So no other object can trim, enter. So just delete or erase this one. Erase, so this one is okay. Okay, we have two already, the object. So if we want to use the command extrude in B-Rep, we need to join the object first. So you just click join, type join, enter, select object all. So any other object to join, no, enter. So this object and this object already joined. So if you want to use the extrude command, so you just select extrude, click, select object to extrude, this one and this one, enter. So the height of extrusions, for example, is 10. So enter. So this one also we need to extrude. So select extrude, select object to extrude, this one, Any other object to extrude? Yes, this one and this one. Enter. So the height to extrude is 12. So this one. So we can move here this object. Select object. So this one, and this one. Enter. So from this one to this one. Okay. So then we know that this one have hole. So if we want to make sure the hole is appear here, we can use command subtract. So you just go to solid, select subtract, select object, this one, enter, select another object, this one, enter. So use another command subtract, click, enter, this object, enter. So you can check either the object subtract or not by change the view. So you can go to shaded. So subtract already. Okay, so this object also the circle need to subtract. So you change the view to wireframe. So you go to solid, subtract from where this object to this object. Okay, so you can check shaded. Okay, subtract already. So now we need to combine this object with this object. So we can move first. So move, enter, select object to move this object, enter, from where this base point to this base point, enter. So we need to combine this object and this object by using union command. So go to solid, union, select object to union, this one, select another object to union, this one, enter. So we can check either the object union or not. Just change the view of 3D wireframes, shaded. So the object already union and have the hole as required. So from this object we also can change the materials. So we need to change the view to realistic. If you want to change the material, then you go to view, you go to material brochure. Okay, so this one, okay, this is the material brochure. So let's say for example I choose ceramic. So just click and drag to this one. So the object already in the ceramic materials. That's all. Thank you for watching.